Let's dive into division. 274 divided by 2. Hey math adventurers, if you're loving these math explorations, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Let's Stud for more fun learning journeys. Alright, let's start dividing 274 by 2. First, we look at the digit 2 in the hundreds place. We bring down the 2 to start our division. How many times does 2 fit into 2? It fits exactly 1 time. Let's check 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. Now we subtract 2 from 2, which leaves us with 0. Easy peasy. Awesome start, you're doing great. We've finished with the first digit, let's move on to the next one. Next up, we bring down the 7 from the tens place. Now we have 7. We carry down the 7, so we're looking at the number 7. How many times does our divisor 2 fit into 7? It fits 3 times. Let's check 3 multiplied by 2 equals 6. Subtract 6 from 7, what do we get? A remainder of 1. You're crushing it, just a little bit more. We've handled the 7, time to bring down the last digit. Last one, we bring down the 4 and join it with our remainder 1, making it 14. We carry down the 4 and put it next to the remainder 1, forming 14. How many times does 2 go into 14? It goes in 7 times. Let's multiply 7 times 2 is 14. Subtract 14 from 14, we have 0 left, perfect. Woohoo, you did it, we've reached the end. And that's the whole division, we're all done. So 274 divided by 2 equals 137. Great job, everyone. We've successfully divided 274 by 2, step by step. Remember, even big numbers can be tackled with a little patience and practice. Keep up the amazing work. That's all for this adventure. Don't forget to check out more awesome math videos on Let's Stud. Keep exploring and keep conquering math.